Discover Nirvana Nature Healing, a luxury wellness retreat near Nandi Hills where nature meets true healing. Experience naturopathy, Ayurveda, yoga and meditation, Ayurvedic massages, acupuncture, aromatherapy, hydrotherapy, detox treatments, mud packs and more. Guided by India's leading wellness experts. Special pre-launch offer, Naturopathy and Wellness Retreat starting at just 3,000 per day, including luxurious villa stay, Satvik meals, daily treatments, wellness programs and family-friendly healing activities. A harmonious blend of ancient healing and modern science designed for complete mind-body rejuvenation. Nirvana Nature Healing. Refresh, rejuvenate and relax.